Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook, step by step. If you've turned on professional mode and now want to go back to your normal profile, don't worry, it's super easy. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three dots, midline horizontal. Ellipsis next to Edit Profile. Scroll down and find the option that says Professional Mode. Tap on it, and you'll see the setting Turn Off Professional Mode. Simply tap Turn Off, confirm your choice, and that's it. Your profile will now switch back to normal, no more professional mode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more quick Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.